So what's your take on whey protein and supplements that it has become essential nowadays?
So, of course, see, I'll tell you, supplements is an integral part of our नॉर्मल रूटीन नाउ बिकॉज द काइंड ऑफ फूड वी ईट एक तो बहुत हेल्दी नहीं है, खाना
Correct.
ही हेल्दी नहीं आ रहा है बिकॉज हमारे सॉइल में इतना प्रॉब्लम है ऑफ
Yeah.
केमिकल्स एंड पेस्टिसाइड्स दैट हैव गॉन इनटू द सॉइल एंड our gut is not healthy, so हम digest नहीं कर पाते, absorb नहीं कर पाते, and of course then we eat also under stress these days a lot, so वो हम process ही नहीं कर पा रहे हैं and we're not getting the nutrients that we need. So adding a good quality supplement can support your health, but again at the right time, in the right dosage and in the right way. Suppose सबको supplements की ज़रूरत नहीं है, right? And when you talk about whey protein, I'm a vegan. If you ask me about whey, I really don't like the idea of consuming whey because इतना दूध आ कहाँ से रहा है इतना whey बनाने को जो people are consuming today. So obviously common sense is कि कुछ ना कुछ tampering हो रहा है in this whole process of whey production, and no wonder why people are getting gut issues and इतना bloating हो जाता है लोगों को when they drink whey, because सिर्फ वे नहीं है, उसमें एडिटिव्स है, उसमें चीप क्वालिटी अमीनो एसिड्स जाते हैं, किसी किसी में राइस फ्लावर डाला जाता है, सो बहुत सारी चीज़ें जाती है ये वे इंडस्ट्री में टू गिव यू दैट बिग बॉक्सेस ऑफ वे विच यू थिंक वाओ ये मेरे मसल्स बनाएगा, ये मुझे स्ट्रॉन्ग करेगा. सो उसमें डेफिनेटली सब सच्चाई
This
नहीं
was
होती है.
surprising for me that rice flour is also an ingredient that
Yeah.
goes in whey protein.
Yeah, not everything is mentioned on the box, but a lot of adulteration is happening in these industries today. So you can definitely have protein supplements, but if you even want to do whey, you will have to source from the best brand, the best quality, do your research, or you can go in for plant proteins. You're getting plant proteins today, which are made up of pea protein, brown rice, and seeds. So those are healthier alternatives, obviously, and of course, then all these proteins also have sweeteners and sucralose and वो सारी चीजें. So you have to really read the label well to figure कि आप जो अपनी बॉडी में डाल रहे हो वो ठीक है कि नहीं. So if you are an active person and a vegan or vegetarian, then taking a protein supplement somewhere becomes imperative, but then choosing the right one is the most important thing.
Got it. Got it. So nowadays, vitamins and minerals, these are the supplements which are easily available on any e-commerce platform. Whether it's like magnesium, zinc, fish oils, vitamin C's, these are like very much easily and marketed also by influencers, celebrities.
Yeah.
So एक वो ना एक thinking आ गई है लोगों में कि इससे ज़्यादा कुछ harm होने नहीं वाला है, and there's no need of prescription also,
Right.
because it is essential. मे बी वो मार्केट इस तरह किया जाता है, दिमाग में बिठाया जाता है दैट इट इज वाइटल फॉर अ बॉडी.
Right.
राइट. सो व्हाट्स योर टेक ऑन दैट?
This whole influencer industry जो कुछ भी उठा के कुछ भी प्रमोट करते हैं ना in terms of health, it really breaks my heart because you really need to do this with a lot of precision and knowledge. So जब आप उठा के कहते हो I'm taking this for my hair, say biotin supplement, I'm taking for my hair, you should take it too. बट वॉट इफ सामने वाले का हेयर फॉल बायोटीन के डेफिशिएंसी की वजह से नहीं, बट आयरन की वजह से आ रहा है या गट प्रॉब्लम्स की वजह से आ रहा है, और मे बी सम अदर इशू विच ओनली अ प्रोफेशनल कैन सी एंड गेज एंड देन गाइड यू. बट पीपल बिकॉज दे आर फॉलोइंग इन्फ्लुएंसर्स ब्लाइंडली कि अच्छा उसके बाल अच्छे हैं, इफ शी इज प्रमोटिंग इट लेट मी ऑल्सो कंज्यूम इट, वी मे एक्चुअली बी डूइंग डैमेज टू अ बॉडी, क्योंकि शायद हम अपने आप को वो न्यूट्रिएंट ओवर प्रोवाइड कर रहे हैं विच आवर बॉडी डजंट रिक्वायर. एंड you don't need nutrients more than what your body needs, because in excess also these supplements are bad for your body. And जैसे खाना आपकी बॉडी को प्रोसेस करना होता है, आपकी बॉडी को न्यूट्रिएंट्स और सप्लीमेंट्स भी प्रोसेस करने होते हैं.
Okay.
So if your liver is not healthy, if your gut is not healthy, if you're taking all these supplements, you're actually worsening your condition. So to understand कि किसको क्या supplement चाहिए is very important, and that only a professional can guide you. I really want to urge people to stop seeing everything that you see on social media and just pick up anything because somebody else is promoting. You may like the product, but you need to consult somebody before taking these products. जैसे magnesium, अभी इतने सारे magnesium आते हैं market में. There's citrate, there's glycinate, there's threonate, and सबके अपने अपने purposes हैं. So if you're constipated, you have constipation issues, then a magnesium citrate works beautifully for you. If you have muscle problems or nerve problems, or have you just generally want good muscular health, then a glycinate works well for you. Again, if you want to sleep well, a glycinate works well for you. If you have some sort of brain issues or mental health issues, then a threonate works very beautifully for you. So you need to understand that this is a deeper science and not just I'm taking this, you also please take this. It's not that easy.